Who's gonna start first?
Just like the wind.
Okay, let's go there.
I will present the solution for question 1, which involves calculating the population growth of close while town. We are given initial population in year 2000 is 120,000 people. 2000 to 2006 growth rate is 3.2% per year compounded annually. 2006 onward, growth rate is 4.5% per year compounded semi-annually. We will answer part A, B, and C. For all calculation, the compound interest formula is used S equal to P, open bracket 1 plus R per M, close bracket, power of MT, where P is initial value, R is growth rate, M is number of compounding periods per year, T is time in year, and S is final value. For question A, calculate the population in the year 2006. We are given initial population 120,000 people. Growth rate is 3.2% annually. Compounding annually, so M equal to 1. Time is 6 years. Next, we fill the information into formula. S equal to 120,000, open bracket 1 plus 0.032 per 1, close bracket, power of 6. The answer of question A is 144,964 people. For question B, calculate the population in the year 2013. We are given starting population in 2006 is 144,964 people. Growth rate is 4.5% per year. Compounding is May annually M to 2. Time is 7 years, so we fill the information into formula S equal 144,964, open bracket 1 plus 0.045 per 2, power of 2 times 7. So population in 2013 is 197,946 people. So question C, find the total percentage increase from 2000 to 2013. So the formula for percentage increase is new minus original per original times 100%. So 197,946 minus 120,000 per 120,000 times 100%. So total population increase from 2000 to 2013 equal to 64.96%.
Hi, now I will explain a few questions on compound interest. So let's start with question 2. Farmi needs 60,000 ringgit and he has two loan options, which is NAA Bank and MHA Bank. We need to calculate the future value after 9 years. For NAA Bank, the interest rate is 4.3% compounded every 3 months. So we use the formula S equals P times open bracket 1 plus R over M, close bracket to the power of M times T. So S equals 60,000 times open bracket 1 plus 0.043 over 4 close bracket to the power of 4 times 9. So the answer is 88,171 ringgit 10 cents. For MHA Bank, the interest rate is 4.4% compounded every 2 months. So S equals 60,000 times open bracket 1 plus 0.044 over 6 close bracket to the power of 6 times 9. So the answer is 89,023 ringgit 43 cents. So which bank should Fahmi choose? The answer is NAA Bank because the future value is much lower, which means he has to pay back less compared to MHA Bank. Next, for question 3, 10 years ago, money was invested at 2.8% interest compounded every 4 months. The balance today is 99,105 ringgit 95 cents. So we need to find the initial value X. So we use the same formula as before. S equals P times open bracket 1 plus R over M close bracket to the power of M times T. So the equation becomes 99,105.95 equals X times open bracket 1 plus 0.028 over 3 close bracket to the power of 3 times 10. Then we divide both sides to isolate X. So X is 75,000 ringgit. And those are the solutions for question 2 and 3. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone, my name is Kira and today I'm going to help you to answer the part B question 1, which is from the chapter 4 annuity. So from this chapter, we need to know at least 4 variables, which is S, future value, R, periodic payment, I, periodic interest rate, and N, compounded frequency. So from this question and statement, we can get S, which is the Van Dyke Sunshine Leather Bag 11,000 and Hermes Amsen Kelly for 16,800. Then we can get the I, which is 12% per annum interest compounded quarterly. So it says compounded quarterly. We know compounded quarterly is equal to 4. So for the I, we need to change the percent into point, which is 0.12, and over with 4. Then we can get the N, which is from the question. It says that wants to buy the Fender Sunshine Leather Black within 4 years. So 4 years, but from the statement it says that assuming she deposit a sum of money every 3 months. So every 3 months, if you want to complete the whole year, is equals to 4, which is 3, 6, 9, and 12. 12 months. So 4. So for the N, we need to 4 years times with the 4 times. So it's equal to 16. So we can already get the 3 variable, but all the information that is given here, we can jot down it, so it's gonna be easy for us to answer the question. So for the S, we take the 11,000 ringgit, because from the question, she only like said she wants to buy the Fender Sunshine Leather Black. So we just take the 11,000. And for R, we just put it as the R itself. And for the I, 0.12 over with 4. And for the N is 16, which is 4 years times 4 times. Okay. So we already get all the information. So we use this formula, which is S equals to R. There you can see all the brackets now. So this is the formula that we use for this chapter. So we already get all the information, and we already have our formula. So we just put all the information into the formula. So this is how you do it. You put all the information, then you just simplify it. Then you can get the R, and there you go. We got the R for RM for 545 ringgit and 72 cents. So let's answer the question B. So it says that assume her deposit amount is the same as the previous question. So we already get the R. Okay, remember from this chapter we need to find 4 variable S, R, I, and N. So we already get the R, which is 545 ringgit and 72 cents. And from this question also we can get the I, which is the same. We just use like the previous question, 0.12 over 0.12 over with 4. And it might be a big change, like we need to change a bit, because from the question B it says that 5 years after her purchase of the Fender Sunshine Leather Black. So 4 years from the Fender Sunshine Leather Black, we need to add 5 years more, so it equals with 9. But from the 9 we need to times it with 4, because she deposit a sum of money every 3 months. So 9 times 4 equals to 36. We already get all the information, and we already get the formula, and you know what to do, which is we just put all the information into the formula, which is RM 34,530 and 95 cents. So that is our answer for the S, to make a sentence to prove our point. So we can say that yes, because she have RM 34,530 and 95 cents as a balance, and the 34,530 95 cents is more than 60,800, so she can buy the Hermes Epson Calibre.
Assalamualaikum. I will explain to you guys how to solve the last question. So let's take a look to the question first. So first step, we need to identify all the information given, and of course we need to know what chapter is this and what formula will we use. As you can see, I had done my first step. So we proceed to the next step. We use our main formula. We will enter the given information to the formula. Right, so the next step is we need to calculate the real price to know whether the monthly payment given is accurate or not. As we can see the difference after we calculate the real price. What we need to do is find the real monthly payment using the same formula. But this time we will use the simple basic algebra, because we need to find the R, not the A. Lastly, we compare the difference between the real monthly payment that we calculate just now and the monthly payment that had been given in this question. Next, we will do the same step for 12 months monthly payment. So you guys can see the difference between the real monthly payment and the monthly payment that had been given in 12-month monthly payment is quite large compared to the 6 months. Therefore, the final answer is yes, she should process with 6-month monthly payment because it is more accurate, and also she has enough money to pay monthly because she has enough money for her leisure expenses.